KFC celebrated 50 years in Jamaica today with a promotion dubbed Big Deal Brawta. Now, customers who purchased a big deal got a free meal deal with their order. Now, this caused a frenzy and traffic congestion island-wide as scores of Jamaicans showed up to multiple branches. Romardo Lyons has our story.
The type of crowd politicians hope for at polling stations. But there's no wish for ink on fingers here, just grease. King Street in downtown Kingston. People like Dawn say come what may, dusk or dawn, she's not leaving without chicken.
Yeah, I want my chicken. I want it nice, spicy. You see the barbecue? You see the original? I'll be something.
So you say this, the long line now deter you from going in?
No, you're mad. Me have to go in there. I'm a friend, them have to go in there too. The whole of we have to go in there. I'll pack up in there. Cause me a chicken. Yeah.
No teeth, no problem.
Having a denture, you can't eat the chicken same way. You understand? All a woman there, she just take out her teeth and a KFC she a wait for. You understand? Got it full of spice.
On Port Royal Street, birds of a feather, from schoolers to adults, even babies in proms. Several customers say they expected the crowd, but they're still crying foul.
But I think KFC could have done a better job in getting to control. They are expecting it as well. So when I was looking at it, because I've been here from 10 o'clock and I decided to come across at 11 to show you I can't manage the crowd. I was that close to the door and I was pushed out.
And how many meals are you planning on buying today?
Actually, it's one because tomorrow is my birthday, so I wanted to get something. This is my first time trying for something free.
Inside shot, chaos. You'd think Lionel Messi was at the National Stadium again. This woman is no scientist, but the precision and focus are there. Bragging outside, this elder finally got served.
I got mine.
About 2 hours.
I got mine.
But until I get my chicken, I say, give me a piece now.
She said no.
Me'll wait the time, man. You wait the time. But they go away. I'm sister down here empty. I'm just go put on my bag and come back, and all of a sudden I see crowd. I say, I want my food, but I not rush it.
In the midst of chaos, hustling.
I know say everybody can go in one time, and the sun hot, seeing. I know them go want something for drink. That's why I come here and support everybody.
And so what has business been like since you come out here today?
It's alright, because I come and sell about 6 to 7 water and a juice. Yeah, man, give God thanks. I'm more than for sell still, you see what I mean?
At the Manor Park branch, all manner of people.
It was crazy. I was here from 6 o'clock, but I finally got my food. I was here from 6 o'clock, but I got my food.
What's it like inside?
It's crazy. It was like an ants nest. The people them want them chicken, but you know what them put in the chicken? No.
So what prompted you to come out so early now to get this chicken?
Because of the national dish.
Uncle Colonel has been so good to us for 50 years. Oh my God, couldn't miss it.
Being there wasn't enough. Strategy was needed.
I have some family members that love to wake up early, so they came while I slept, and right now my order is in there, and I'm just waiting. They're at number 3.
In Crossroads, the drive-through line is basically a parking lot. In New Kingston, same old story. This man with a fresh approach, careful and steady. People at home who wanted comfort probably ended up with gas. 10:53 a.m., delivery company 7 Crave said delivery time may take 3 to 4 hours. 11:55 a.m., the restaurant has exceeded its capacity. 2:06 p.m., KFC orders paused due to overwhelming demand. At the Red Hills Road location, the entrance, cart. A combo of fanning, sweating, and patience. It could easily pass for a car show. We were told that these reserves were called for crowd control. They're to serve, but with KFC beating them to the punch, they're forced to protect. It was a big deal in other parishes as well. Brownstown St. Anne, lines of embassy proportions. Caledonia Road in Mandeville. In Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland, KFC breaking the glass ceiling for local fast food. Now, based on the turnout, the question remains, was there enough chicken to meet the demand? Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.